What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kevin Love. Here's a special request from Cadence Vaxon Moore. He wanted to see my commercial vacuum from Sanitaire. This one is a model SC886B. This one is a 6.5 amp. And this particular one was made in 1991. And he wanted me to vacuum my whole place with it, but I'm not going to do my whole place. My place is too big, man. So I'm going to just do a little bit out here and just call it good. So I hope that's good enough, man. But anyway, here's a better look. I like how she can just hold herself up like that. So I'm gonna just do like this area and maybe a little bit over there, and that's it. All right. And that one got the shakeout bag, so that's good. Anyway, here we go. Man, that thing is super powerful. Like super, super powerful. And to the best of my knowledge, Sanitaire, they still make these. They still make them. So these type of vacuums shouldn't be too hard to find if you're looking for one. Anyway, there it is. Please excuse the mess. Go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, you know who. I'm out. Peace.